Now that you've made the smart call to minimize your exposure to radon, you'll need to figure out who you can trust to get the best results possible, and how much it's going to cost. There's no shortage of unqualified contractors to weed through. At last count, approximately 231,000 contractors in our state are allowed to claim they can properly reduce the radon levels in your home. However, most contractors don't have the training to back their claims up. Contractors who might be good at one type of service may not have the specialized training to address your radon issue. That's a lot like asking a podiatrist to address your heart condition. It's just not right that you be putting your faith in someone to make your home safe and find out later that you've been unprotected the entire time. The state of Oregon is not your friend in this space. These are essential, life-saving systems, and there are currently no mitigation, certification, or training standards required for contractors willing to install them. Politicians and lawmakers in this state are either unaware of the problem or just don't care. You deserve better. After 26 years in this field, we've seen it all. When you hire an unqualified contractor, you should expect any of these results. At 3Rs, we know exactly how frustrating this can be. You should be able to trust who you hire. Knowing this, here are your options. 1. Do-it-yourself mitigation. You might get it right. You might not. 2. Hire a handyman or any untrained contractor who has the exact same information you have from YouTube to do it yourself. 3. Hire a licensed, trained, and certified radon mitigator. Our team is trained to do exactly what you should expect the first time. Keep your family and home safe from radon. When you hire 3Rs, you'll get a team that's fully qualified in each of these key areas. In order to have a reliable system, you'll need to address all these points. For a free download of this PDF, follow the link below. If the wise choice isn't abundantly clear, let's think about it like this. Imagine there are 20,000 bees living right below your home, and a few of them find their way inside through the cracks in your foundation and framing. The odds are still in your favor that you won't get stung. There are only a few bees, and you might avoid them. The longer you're in the same space together, though, the more likely you are to get stung. And remember, more are coming in every day. Now imagine that those bees are invisible and don't make any noise. You can't simply avoid them. Does that make you more nervous? It should. With radon, it's not the same as some tiny sting. You're up against lung cancer and death. Do you really want to take your chances with an unqualified contractor? We understand that you have a few choices. But if you take this seriously, you only have one. Send in your paperwork to move forward with our radon mitigation. Now, the question of cost does come up. Since our prices can be higher than other untrained mitigators, you have to ask, what are they leaving out to offer that lower price? The truth is that buying a discounted system is gambling with your safety. No other professional involved in a life-saving operation settles for less than the best. And neither will we. Yes, our systems sometimes cost more, but they will work. We guarantee it. Protect your home and family by getting your radon properly mitigated. When you schedule with 3Rs, you'll get the best mitigation in the business. Our team is standing by and will take great care of you.